Good morning, student. I am Sadhana Tripathi. Today I will teach you how to calculate correlation by shortcut method. But firstly, I will tell you actually you have to join my online class. It's very important. I am daily taking class, but you are not present. Why? Please join my online class. Okay? I have already explained by online class. Okay? So now I will retell you shortcut method. Students, firstly we have to learn what is the formula of shortcut method. There are two formula. First is this: sigma dx dy minus sigma dx equals sigma dy upon n, and sigma dx upon under root sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square upon n into under root sigma dy square minus sigma dy whole square upon n. Okay? Another. This is the next or. You can use this formula also. Sigma dx into dy into n minus sigma dx bracket close bracket and next sigma dy into bracket upon root sigma dx square n minus sigma dx the whole square into the root sigma dy whole square into n minus sigma dy whole square. Understand? Firstly, you have to learn properly formula. Then first and next process you have to make this table. Given only two digits x, y, any things likewise numbers and likewise heights and population, education, anything given, you have to calculate how to correlate two variables. So here is two variables x and y. Okay, I will firstly take it x. There is written 11 digits like 21, 11 numbers, not digit. 11 numbers 24, 27, 28, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 35, 35, 40. Okay. How to calculate dx? Then we will find out a. X minus a. How to? You very well. What is a? Assumption है. This is the assumption. You have to get total number sum of divided by the 11 plus 1. Then we will get 32. Firstly, write down here 24 x minus 32 means a. Then you have found out every dx. Minus 8, minus 5, minus 4, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 1, 3, 3, 8. Okay? And then you have to square. Firstly, we will take 8 square. 64. Minus is minus 8, 64. Minus 5, 9, minus 5, 25. Minus 4 square, 16. Minus 4 square, 16. Minus 3, 9. Minus 2, 4, 0, 1 and 9, 9. 8 square, 64. Then you have to add all digits. Likewise, sum of total numbers is sigma dx square equal to 117. Then students, we will take y variables 18, 20, 22, 25, 22, 28, 28, 30, 37, 34, 22. Same process applying and sum of total and then divided by the 11 plus 1 and you get 25. Okay. Dy equal, it means finding of the dy, then you have to use y minus a assumption equal to 25. It means you have to write here y 18 minus 25 will get 7, 20 minus 25 will get 5 and so on. Okay, and reprocess likewise this. Sum of total digits, total numbers 3 minus 3, and then you have to square and square 49, 25, 99, and then the sum of total number is 173. This is called sigma dy square. Sigma dx square is 217, and sigma dy square equal 173. Okay, and then sigma and dx into dy. Dx, this is the dx, and dy, this is the dy. Then you have to multiply 8 into minus 8 into minus 7. 7 8s are 56, and so on. 5 5 5 are 25, and 4 3s are 12. 0 0, and 3 4s are 9. 3 4s are 12, and 3s are 9, and so on. Then the sum of total number is 98. We will write here sigma dx dy. Understand? It means firstly we will find out dx and d square, dy and dy square. Dx and dy equal this. Then applying all digits in this formula. Okay, so now put value of the sigma d square is 98. You can see there sigma dx dy equal 98. Then write here 98 into 11. N is 11 into 11 minus 11 minus 3. Okay, what is the 11? 11 is sigma dx. Sigma dx is this. Okay, and sigma dy. Sigma dy is minus 3. Okay, so now we will write here 11 and minus 11 and minus 3. Okay, now under root sigma dx square. What is sigma dx square? 217, and into n, it means 11 minus sigma dx the whole square. Sigma dx, and it means sigma dx. Where is sigma dx? This is the sigma dx minus 11 the whole square into root 73. It means sigma dy square. Sigma dy is 173 into n. It means 11 minus sigma dy whole square. Sigma dy is minus 3 the whole square, and then calculating and all digits and put value of the formula, and then you have to calculate it properly. Students, if you haven't calculation, you haven't square root, then you can't find out proper answer. You can't find proper answer. So you should learn and practice more times. Okay, now here is into, so we will get 1078 minus 33. How, students? Minus it, firstly open simplification. It means bottommost formula. So we will use the bottommost formula. Firstly bracket open, border open, then division, mass, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Then firstly bracket open and minus 33. Okay, into किया ना फिर से 11 से 3 को into किया, and then 33 upon, then this is the one single thing. Firstly we will calculate this. We will get 2387 minus 121. Okay, 11 square equal 21 into 1903. This is the calculation of this number, and 9. Okay, then students we will subtract from this. We will get 1054 and root. This is also subtracted 2266 into root 1894, and 1894 we will get 1045, and you will calculate square root. Then we will get 47.6 into 43.52. Final answer is 0.505 approx. Actually we are going to 9 times of 555, then we will taking only 3 digits of after point. Okay, so I think students we will better understand. It means it's very important for shortcut method. This is typical but not typical. If you have to go on practice, nothing impossible, you can do everything. If you have any problem, you can ask me by call, by phone. Okay, thank you.